If you've been arrested for a DUI in the state of Nevada, don't despair. There are a number of defenses that you can raise to have your charges either dismissed or significantly mitigated. So one of the first ways that you can challenge a DUI arrest or charge is to challenge the stop itself. The police have to have probable cause in order to stop your vehicle and engage in an arrest or detainment. That can't be a pretextual stop, meaning they can't just pull you over because it's Saturday night and it's 2 a.m. and you're out on the road. The police have to cite their probable cause to stop your vehicle. So that means that you were speeding, that you were weaving in and out of traffic, that maybe your tail light was out, but there has to be a reason. After you've been pulled over for a traffic violation, the officer will approach. If he believes that you have been drinking or intoxicated for some reason, the officer may ask you to do a series of tests. These are called field sobriety tests. You have the right to refuse to do the field sobriety test. If you choose to do the field sobriety test, you have to make sure that you follow the officer's instructions explicitly, because everything that you do is going to be used and examined as to whether or not you were impaired at the time that you were operating a vehicle. One of the things that has to be proven in a DUI case is that you were intoxicated at the time you were driving. You may have a drink and get into the car and drive, and at that point in time, your body hasn't metabolized the alcohol, and so you're not impaired. You may have 2 drinks and still not be impaired. Hours later, you may be impaired, but that's not what the test is. The test is whether you were impaired at the time you were driving. If it's taken after, then it's not reflective of what your impairment is or what your alcohol level was at the time of the arrest, and that means your DUI may be dismissed. If you've been arrested for a DUI, it's important to retain legal counsel immediately. Give my office a call today for a free consultation.